Hello guys, my name is Sam Cryon. So you are welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn how to create a butterfly design. So be careful. So take your time when you are watching it, like and subscribe. So thanks for once again. My name is Sam Cryon. So let's get into Photoshop. So I want to use the board like the weight is 4.5 inches, for height is 5, so resolution 300. So I don't want to waste a lot of time, so we just press create. So now I've seen my board, how is it. So the photo I want to use, I really cut it, so the photo is here. Let the photo to be sharp and clear. So guys, this is a butterfly for beginner. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel so for more activities. So now like this is for butterflies, so I will write it something like I press T, then I write butterfly. So the first letter I will use capital, click cap lock. Then the second letter will be small letter, but everything is coming now. But now, do you remember last time I saw when you want to copy there, you can just press Control Alt, then place where you want auto Alt. So this is butterfly. I will write happy. Yeah, happy birthday. So this one will be somehow small. It cannot be bigger. I was saying. And I think also the black one I have to use it white. And now the second thing I want to do is I don't want the white background, so I will change the background. I have my new background here, so this is the background. I will just pick it and drag it down to the photos on my design. I hope you're seeing how the design is coming and we are moving still on. So guys, take your time always when you're designing, be careful. So I've seen this background is upper than the fonts and those words, so you have to bring those words up. So you press this background and you take it to where the photo is. Are you seeing? Yeah. And now I want to brush this one also. I want those to write some message down there, so I will just come here, the brush tool. I will click it, then you brush it small. Are you seeing? So guys, always take your time when you are working on your design. So you know some computers are slow or some are fast, so I'm just telling you how to work on your thing, become a professional graphic designer by following Sam Cryon. So now I don't want to waste a lot of time, so I want some. Now, I told you I want some, so I will drag this thing down. So I want to write some my birthday wish here. So I hope you are seeing how it's coming and how it's going. So we are not going to take much a lot of time here. So because this thing is very simple and a birthday for a beginner. So now this guy, his name is called Big Mud. So I write Big Mud here. So guys, let your work be always simple, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube, like and share. So for more future use and for more creative design that you want also to practice, because this is for free. So now always that people like to write +1. Mine now I will write more grace. Now I will pick some Discord that circle. I will use it. So I be seeing things coming. So we use red color. Don't use a lot of color in your design. This is the number one that I can tell you right now. So be very careful. Because design is not something easy. So now I was seeing how the thing is going. We are not going to take a lot of time. This is very simple.
The rest will be finding down very good. Let me bring my other. You play together, apple, more, you get a little bit of school. Never learn the kind that way. When you do that, you don't know.
So this appy, I don't know, I don't like it, and I will change the font style, and with the color also. So guys, we are always getting down our. You must have everything that we have work on right now. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. My name is Sam Crayon. So for any kind of design, so like and subscribe. So do you remember that soon we'll be back. So guys, thank you for watching.